In this video, we are discussing regarding the we will discuss regarding the circumvention of workflow. So, for example, if any shopping website or if you are doing a shopping cart to payment gateway interaction must be tested by web app pen tester, so ensure that the workflow cannot be performed out of the sequence. A payment should never be made unless a verification of the cart content is checked on the server side first. So in the event, we will check regarding the missing. Attacker can change the price, quantity, or both prior to the actual purchase. So for this, we will check the business logic design flow, in which there is a no server side validation prior to purchase. So for that, we are opening our VM lab. We will test, this is an web code, so just click on that. Okay, so we have to check a particular. Previously we logged in this web project, that's why it's login. If you are, if in your lab it's asking password, just use a guest as a username password. So first we have to check that particular Ajax security where we have to perform the insecure the client storage. Okay. Okay. Now we will also check the burp. This will close. HTTP history, and we have to also filter this. Filter. Make sure if you are testing this lab, it's enable script. Okay. Now go to the our lab. Open. Okay. And now we will check the Pavilion notebook quantity 2. Okay. Now it's showing the total amount before coupon is applied, total before which charge to your credit card value. Okay, so now we will we have performed this, and now we will check the switch back to our burp history. Is there any event after changing the value? So we need to find a specific extension script. Okay. Okay, script. Okay, this one script. We have already enabled filter. That's why it's showing here. Okay, now we will check this client.js. This is the JS file, right? Client validation. Okay, this is okay. Now check the response, and we are able to. Okay, so here is the var coupon. Here is the some var coupons option. So coupons code are hard coded within the JavaScript file. So however they used literally as they will not work. So in majorly we have checked in the response client side validation JS file, and coupons code is here. So now we will check the raw file. Keep looking the source code and notice the decrypt something like if we got crypt. Okay, the function code decrypt some. Yeah, this one we got code something, this type of event. We are just we will check in here. Okay, function code, this one. Okay, function code return carrier. Okay, something. So in the browser, we will check the. We will open in developer mode. Code length. Okay, decrypt. Okay, decrypt and code is here. So let's check in developer mode. F12, I think, developer mode. Or we can enable the more tool, developer tool. Okay, okay. And now we are checking the console file to load over the server. Previously, due to the network issue, I lost the session. So I reinitiate and start the developer tool. Searching for the developer tool. Now we have to just type the decrypt, decrypt. Okay, and just need to enter. Okay, and just enter. So here we can see that the gold. After pressing the enter, we are able to see the gold. So this is the coupon code decrypted to the word. So this is the coupon code. It's decrypted to the word. So now we have to enter that code here, and we will purchase gold. Now click on purchase. Stage 1 is completed. Okay. Now we will check the, just a minute, we have to check that particular event. Purchase clans radial edition. This is the coupon code. Okay. This is the this is the request. Okay. uh, okay, now we are able to see the price here. So we will do one thing. We will just back to our lab, and we will try with intercept on is. So proxy is on. Now we will click it again, purchase. Now we will receive the request, and here we can check the grand total. Grand total. Okay, this one. So we will modify that request to $0 here. So for that, we are just entering the value. Press F2 to focus. Okay, just we are entering here grand total to 0 to 4 0.00. Entering just double zero, and here is the zero. Okay, zero dot, and just forward this request and intercept off. We will check the response. Okay, I think we have some done mistake in the typing the amount value. That's why it's showing a double zero. So we you can modify the in short you can modify the grand total of value, and we can change that particular value. Previously it was showing that a specific nearby 100 $1500 dollar, but we have changed that it to uh, in grand total. We have modified that request, and we are able to purchase on uh, $0. So, so due to the lack of server side checking for both coupon code as well as the grand total amount of priority to charging the credit card, so we are able to circumvent the price of assign and set our price instead. So in this way, lab we have decrypt the coupon code which is included at the client side mm, client Java side client side validation.js file, and we have also changed the grand total amount of that particular mm, credit card bill. We have to pay that specific. So due to this type of lack of server side checking both coupon code and as well as the grand total amount prior to changing charging the credit card. So this is the one type of vulnerability. So this type of vulnerability we have to check, or we have to test by a web pen tester.